Hey there, fellow moms-to-be. Have you ever wondered how the food you eat during pregnancy could impact your baby's brain development? Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of prenatal nutrition to explore 11 foods that can help your little one's brain thrive. Let's start with leafy greens like spinach and kale. These greens are packed with folate, a crucial nutrient for DNA production and preventing neural tube defects. So, don't forget to add a generous portion to your plate. Next up, eggs. They're not just delicious. They're also rich in protein and choline, which support healthy brain function. Incorporating eggs into your diet can help give your baby's brain a healthy boost. Now, onto fatty fish like salmon and sardines. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, essential for your baby's brain and eye development. Plus, they make for a tasty and nutritious meal. Berries, anyone? Berries are bursting with antioxidants, which protect your baby's brain cells from damage. They're a sweet treat that can benefit both you and your little one. Whole grains, such as oats and brown rice, are next on our list. These grains are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals essential for overall health and supporting your baby's brain development. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein and calcium, vital for your baby's bone and brain development. It's a creamy and nutritious addition to your pregnancy diet. Lean meats like chicken and turkey are high in protein and iron, crucial for fetal growth and development. Iron helps carry oxygen to your baby's brain and other organs, supporting healthy development. Legumes, such as lentils and chickpeas, are rich in folate, fiber, and protein. These nutrients are essential for a healthy pregnancy and can help support your baby's brain development. Avocados are a pregnancy superfood. They're rich in healthy fats, folate, and vitamin C and K, all vital for your baby's brain development and a healthy pregnancy. Nuts and seeds are packed with nutrients like healthy fats, protein, and vitamins. These nutrients support your baby's overall development and can help ensure a healthy pregnancy. Lastly, dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are rich in calcium and protein, essential for your baby's bone, teeth, and brain development. So, don't forget to include dairy in your pregnancy diet. Remember, a healthy diet is key to supporting your baby's brain development and overall health.